Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, this morning I'll be working on the tomatoes and watering the bananas. Let's get right into the video.
Step into the sun, hands in the dirt where the day's begun. A little seed tucked soft in the earth, planting hope, a brand new birth. Water on my fingertips, gentle and slow. Sunlight dances where the green leaves grow. Whispering winds sing a soft tune in this garden beneath the afternoon. Every sprout a promise, every root a song. Together we nurture where we belong. Side by side, through soil and sky, we watch our garden reach up high. Gardening groove where our hearts align. In nature's rhythm, your hand in mine. Flowers bloom in the warmth we share. In this green world we find our care. With every leaf, with every bloom, in our gardening groove, we make room. Morning dew on petals, colors awake. Butterflies flutter for the love we made. Pruning the branches, shaping the day. In this garden's dance we find our way. Neighbors stop by, smiles so bright, sharing stories in the fading light. Roots run deep as our bond grows strong. In this gardening groove where we belong. When the storms come, will you stay? I'll hold the earth, chase clouds away. Through seasons change, through sun and rain, our garden's love will still remain. Gardening groove, breathing life and song. Hand in hand where we both belong. Every petal tells a tale so true. In this green haven, me and you. With every bloom, our hearts improve.